Hello everybody, and thanks for joining us today. We're going to visit the farm today and we're going to see what kind of animals we can find, and we're going to listen to see if we can hear the sounds that the animals make. Let's go. Here we are on the farm. We can see all our farm animals: a duck, a sheep, a pig, and here's our farmer working hard on his tractor. Let's see what the first animal is. Let's listen to the sound and see if we can figure out what animal makes this sound. Can we all make that sound? Moo! What makes the moo sound? Let's see. It's a cow! Look, here's the farmer busy milking the cow so that we can have milk on our cereal in the morning. A cow makes the moo sound. Let's see what else we can find. What animal makes this sound? It's an oinking, squealing sound, isn't it? I wonder what animal makes that sound. Can we make an oinking sound together? Let's see. What animal is it? It's a pig. It's a dancing pig. Here's our pig. Pig. He's a very happy, friendly looking pig, isn't he? What animal makes this sound? Bah! Bah! What makes the bah sound? Can you guess? Let's see if you're right. Here it comes. It's a sheep. Go. A sheep. A sheep makes a bah sound. What's next on the farm? What animal makes this sound? Nay! Let's see what animal makes that sound. Here he comes. It's a horse. A horse makes the neigh sound. What animal makes this sound? I think it might be a bird that likes to waddle. Quack, quack, quack. Shall we see what bird makes that sound? You're right, it's a duck. A duck makes the quack, quack sound. Can you make a quack, quack sound? Duck. Who's next on the farm? What animal makes this noise? Can you make that sound along with me? Cock-a-doodle-doo! Let's see what animal makes that sound. There he is. It's a big rooster, waking everyone up early in the morning. A rooster makes that sound. Who's next on the farm? I bet you can guess this one. Woof, 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 woof. Can you make that sound? Woof, woof, woof. What animal makes that sound? Can you guess? Here he is. It's a dog. Let's see our dog. Here he is barking. He's probably barking at the ducks. Thank you so much for joining us on the farm today, and we look forward to seeing you again soon. Bye.